Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my wellness planner for the week of June 12th through the 18th. So this one is called Frosted Blooms, and I am going to be doing some meal planning. We are probably going on a trip that weekend, so I won't be meal planning there because obviously when you're on a road, you don't know what you're going to be eating. But other than that, Monday through Wednesday, I will be still meal planning. I pulled the recipe book from the Happy Planner. I thought that was kind of a fun sticker book to be able to incorporate into this. So that's what I'm kind of filling in with. And then I also pulled out Mojo Jojo boxes because that's my staple. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I really hope that you are enjoying yourself and thank you for joining me. If you are not subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you do so. It makes me so happy to see all of you guys joining me on these weekly adventures of planning. Okay. Maybe not adventures. Maybe adventures is a generous way of saying a plan with me, but you guys are joining me every week for those videos and it makes me super happy. Anyway, back to the spread. That's what they're here for, right? So I'm just using these really darker boxes. It is from her jewel tone collection, and I really do like these because they're so lovely and they're quite like various in sizes, so you can play with placement and what it looks like. And I wanted the spread to be happy, fun, and colorful, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna take this blue pen and just make some dots. That is mostly for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I'm just gonna put out all week, or I should say weekend, but let's just keep all week because Thursday is still a week. So family favorites, I'm going to add these really cutesy jars into here. I think these are so fun. So I just want to fill in the spread with really cute stuff. So bear with me. I have so many of these recipe books for some reason. I think I was going to make a recipe planner a little bit on a more consistent basis, but I don't. So here we are, and that's what it's going to be. So I'm just adding all of these fun little things like mittens and spatulas and milk and all of this stuff. So I think it's going to be so cute. Spatula, there we go. I'm going to make it from like the corner. Look at that. So good. And I really love the line art on like the strawberries and like the grapefruit up there. It's so adorable. These realistic pictures in the spread really make me happy. I hope they make you guys happy as well. And of course, I am adding a rainbow. This is a Pride month, so happy Pride, everyone. And here we go. Lots of little bulletin stickers. I think these are so cute, little hearts, little things like that. So super colorful spread. I'm adding more of these jars because they're so fun. Let's add a whisk too. Yeah, so I connect them. Perfect. And now it's time to go ahead and plan. So breakfast, rice cakes. Lunch will be salad plus chicken probably. Wednesday we're gonna be out. Okay, Monday night, just grilled chicken. I think it's gonna be easy and quick. And maybe a wrap even, that would be good. Tacos, because that's super fast for me. Leftovers from Monday. Chicken wrap. And then Tuesday, rice cakes as well. I'm going to keep it simple. This one will be with Nutella. I love having a snack in the morning like that. It gives me so much fuel. Just eggs, just hard-boiled. I'll just grab like 2 eggs and then I'll be good to go. And then leftover tacos and then once they were going out. Okay, and then we're out. So that's my week. I think it came out so cute, even though I didn't write the whole thing like I normally do. I still think it turned out so adorable. Okay, wellness time. So this one is called Nature and Nurture, and it is so lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of these prompts as always, and then just create a fun spread with you guys. So I've been loving really bright florals. It is almost summer, or it feels like so. So I'm gonna add some orange, beautiful life into this. This is Posh Spring, as you can tell, and that's what I'm gonna be using. She has these really beautiful summery orange flowers in there, and I think that's what I would like to use these exactly. Okay, so let's start with that. I'm gonna grab my tweezers because these are quite large and some of these stickers are really hard to lift off. Okay, so let's add that. I don't even care about the lines. This is so beautiful. And this is going to be a super quick plan with me, as you can probably already tell. Okay, so one side is done, super orangey, lots of flowers. I'm going to put another one in the corner. I'm just lifting it off in a very safe way since I want it to look kind of fun. So I'm just removing the big lines. The small ones don't bug me as much, so I'm fine with that. Just going to lift this really quick. There, it curled. I'm going to add more of these. And then, of course, I'm going to be using Mojo Jojo to add some checklists and stuff. So bear with me. We will get there. I promise you. It will be quick. Look, this is already a second spread in like 7 minutes, right? I love making these. I love making them super fast and super fun. At least it is fun for me. I hope it is for you guys as well. And then, of course, checklists. So let's find orange ones. Oh, I haven't used these pale ones. So I'm going to use those. And I think they'll kind of really nicely correspond to the florals and stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. I think that's a good idea. Maybe, possibly, who knows, right? And then I'm going to alternate it with the green and keep it consistent. I think they're so cute. So green, orange, green, orange. Okay, one more. And I'm going to make some dots, as always, and then get some of these smaller boxes to rename my stuff. So here we go. As you can see, this book is very much loved, and for the right reasons, because it is beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and added the dots. So I'm going to put orange dots where the green checklists are, and I'm going to put green dots where the orange checklists are, right? Just to kind of give it a little bit of balance. So that's what I'm doing. Super pale, like very pastel-y. I like it. And then I'm just going to rename this. So on this one, I track movement and my meds. And then on the top, I track my mood and my sleep. So there we go. I'm going to pop this back into the planner and we are all set, you guys. I really like this. I think it's so bright and fun. I'm super excited to be writing in it. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself as well. I'm going to add a quick quote to the tops of these because that right side especially feels a little blank. So I'm going to add happiness blooms from within, and that looks great. And on the other side, I'll add where the flowers bloom, so does hope. And I think these look super good. They're gonna make me happy. And that's it. I'll see you guys really soon for another fun with me. And I hope you guys will join me again. Have a great day.